Today I'm going to show you how to run A/B testing in Meta Business Suite. Right, so in business.facebook.com, which is Meta Business Suite, you will come down over here and you will click on create a post. You can also go to the left over here to your planner, which will allow you to select either the week or the month view and go ahead, click on a day that you would like to schedule a post in a time in the future. And it'll either be a post, a story, a reel, whatever it is. And you'll get over to this page over here. Now, this page will allow you to create the actual post. You can see that you're prompted now to choose a time and a date for Facebook as well as Instagram if you have a Facebook and Instagram account connected to this Meta Business Suite profile. Now, if you scroll up over here on the left-hand side, you'll see post 2, and you'll see that both Instagram as well as Facebook has been selected. If you come down over here, this is where your ad creative is. And these blue blips over here are some options that you can add on to your post. Now, if you go over here to this one, you'll see that it says to create an A/B test, you need to remove Instagram placement. So go right back over here to the top and go and unselect Instagram. You can come back down here and now you can click on the create A/B test. From here, you will see a version A and a version B. So go ahead, add in your text, add in your media, and then there is a link as well that you can add in. And then you can also add in a new version. So you'll have version A, B, C. And once you're done, you can click on save over here on the bottom right-hand side. And once you're done creating your ad and scheduling your time and sharing it to where you want to share it, choosing your privacy settings, go ahead and click on schedule. And you now have an A/B testing